How do you add a signature into a PDF on the iPhone? So if it's your first time being here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So if I go to my Files app and locate PDFs, you can see that you can actually look it up by the file type. So if I type in PDF, I get to filter by that particular document type. You can see so many of them appear. So I'm going to pick any of the PDFs I have in here, or whatever it might be. And it depends on what happens when you kind of click on it, because you can see I can tap it like that and it opens up in this preview mode. However, there is a dedicated preview app which I can click on. It's going to link me over to that. So as you can see at the bottom, there's a preview app which I can tap on and it gets me into the actual app, right? So for you, it might get you there right away. You can see this is the app with the logo which we got into, and it's made by Apple, and it's actually great for adding signature, because once you're in here, you can tap on the button at the bottom like this one. You can see this is the one used to fill out the forms or add a text, which makes this plus button appear, which you can tap on and click on add a signature. So as you can see, I already have a few of them added in the past, so I can jump back and use those if I wanted to. But you can also click on add and create a new one, tap plus, and you can just draw something which is going to be your signature. So you can add it like this. You can see that it gets added to the PDF. You can put it to the proper position, resize it, even rotate it, whatever, right? And even things like, you can see I can make it thicker, right? Or choose a different color. Depends on what you need to make it easier to see and read. And once you're done with it, you can just click on share and send that over to email, or I don't know, save it to the Files app. And that's the easiest way to make that work. That's just working built in. I didn't have to download any third-party app. It's fully free and everything works fine. So again, we use the preview app, but we got linked there through the Files app, because whenever I click on it, it shows it up like this, but we can get it to the preview app right away, which you also might be in there automatically. So at the end of the day, it should work the same way for you. Let me know in the comments below if it did. Subscribe for more upcoming tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later.